Okay, this is my favorite engine oil additive. It's Lucas Synthetic Oil Stabilizer. You can also go with the regular one, but for $3 more, I usually go with the synthetic one. Again, I purchased this from our local Canadian Tire store, and I love this. I absolutely love this. If you have an older classic car, or if you have a toy car which you drive a couple of times a year, this helps greatly. The reason being, when all the oil drops to the bottom of the engine, this formula, it sticks. It has a very sticky stickiness to it, so which actually sticks to the moving parts or the exposed metal on top where there's no oil. So first of all, if there is any water vapor presence in your engine, it will stop the metal from rusting. A. B. When you start the engine again after a prolonged period of staying stagnant, it will help with the lubrication in the beginning of the process until the oil from the bottom of the engine makes it to the top. Again, this is wonderful. This is one of the best products I have ever used, and believe it or not, I had cars with a little bit of lifter tick, and I used a liberal amount of this product, and the lifter tick almost went away. So I stand behind this. I love this. And Lucas, if you ever want to sponsor me, I will take it. Okay, going in. As you can see, it's very sticky. It almost has a raisin kind of consistency, which basically mixes with the oil and floats on top of the engine. I think that would be enough. Maybe a little bit more. It is a big engine. It is small block Chevy 350, but I believe it takes about 7 liters. So yeah, and I have a lot of surface, and I'm going to use it on the 300ZX too. Last time when I changed my oil, I didn't. I should have. So again, this cap doesn't twist, it just plops in. Old school. Okay, I'm just gonna check my engine oil gauge, which is high. Oh, sorry, that's the transmission oil. The way I know it's a transmission oil, because Dextron Auto Trans fluid only, and it's pink, which means that the oil is new. It's not burnt out. A burnt out old oil would look brown, but that's also not necessarily mean it's anything bad. And also the engine dipstick, it's full. I think I'm in business. All I have to do is hook up the booster pack and crank it away. Where are my keys? The best keychain ever. Okay, for people who doesn't know where the location of the battery in a Corvette is, just follow my lead. I don't want to drop this on the leather because it's gonna make a mess. You see that now? That's where the battery is. All you have to do is be very careful in regards to keeping the terminals correct. So black with black. And red with red. Okay, I am going to turn it on. Battery level. So when you turn it on, you're not supposed to, technically charge the battery. It's basically, you're supposed to just turn the ignition and start the vehicle. But I am taking a little bit of time to do that because I'm fat. That's not the right key. That's the right key. It's alive. Let's start. Okay. Stop. Let's do it again. I'm gonna put some gas in just to help it. Battery, you're supposed to boost a V8. Okay, a little. Woohoo! In business, baby!